Hello, dear young friends. Here, I want to tell you what are the steps to be followed in solving the numericals in physics. Why? Because, say, lot many students find it is very difficult to solve numericals in physics. That's why I'll give you a stepwise approach. And if you learn that approach properly, your confidence level in solving any numerical, not only in physics, any trouble, any problem, what you face in day to day life also will improve. That means you can solve them easily with lot of confidence. So, what is the first step? Without taking much of the time in introduction, we'll come back to that. First step, according to one of the famous book writers, Rustic and Halliday and Walker, there is fundamentals of physics, and my experience also tells us out of 100 students, only very few, say one or two, just go through the numericals, statement clearly and understand it, then only they solve. But out of only few, remaining all of you will not read the problem carefully and will not try to get picture for the things what you learn there. So, first of all, once we start reading a problem there, especially in physics, concentrate on creating a imagination in your mind. Once you start doing that, you will be able to get the things what we say right from the LKG to this point. Understanding the things. Understanding the things means visualizing the things in the mind. So, what we need to do is read the problem twice, thrice, or even four times. Even for that matter, if you keep quiet after reading a thing for 1 or 2 minutes and try to visualize what is that given, then once you gone through that problem like that, second step is to write the data, what is that given, along with the symbols and units. Second step. And moreover, while you are imagining or while you are understanding in the first step itself, if you can write a picture, first write it in your mind, then write it in your paper. On that picture itself, you can mark the data along with their units. Once you write the data along with their units, what you are supposed to do? Third step, check for the system of units. If the units are, say, different, say some of them in kilometer per hour, one of them is meter, one in second, like that, then it tells us you are supposed to convert it. That's why check for the system of units of the given things. If it is required, convert it. That is that thing. Fourth step is write what to find along with its symbol and a question mark in front of it, because that will lay a foundation for your problem solving. That fourth step is very important. What to find. Many times, many students fail to understand what to find properly. So that is the fourth step. Fifth step, once you have written all these things, start from what to find. You try to, as you have visualized, as you have written the diagram, try to get what all the things given and which formula you have to use. That's what I call as fifth step as analysis or plan to get the solution. If it is a through or 2 or 3 steps, it will tell itself to proceed on to the how to proceed on to the next step. Finally, once you start analyzing like this, step to step, finally you end up with a stage where, except for one unknown, all the known things are there. Then from this step, you start solving the thing right from the backward direction. That is, first solve for what to with only one unknown and other things known. Next, substitute it to the previous equation, that unknown what you've calculated now, substitute it back to the second equation, previous equation, go like that till you reach the solution, final solution. This is the simplest method, and all the toppers, they use this method. Please remember, even though it seems to be difficult in the beginning, but start doing it this way, you will be definitely able to get, able to solve any difficult problem after this. But for that, remember always, practice must be there. Okay? There I conclude this video of how to solve the numericals. For the time being, I say goodbye to you. You will meet me in the next video. Thank you.